Now, would you comment on the differing percent efficacy of the virus vaccines? Because there is one reason na yung iba ayaw munang magpabakuna ng ganitong bakuna kasi antayin muna daw niya yung effect. And then, is it hard for most to believe what we hear that what is available is the best vaccine? Ibig sabihin nun, as they wait out, nag-aantay rin kasi sila what is the best recommendation. Can you comment on that?
Yeah, for people in the community, tsaka mga yung economic frontliners, tsaka workers na hindi naman hindi naman exposed sa COVID-19, most of the vaccines would have very similar efficacy, anywhere from 70% to 90%, no, ng magkakaroon ka ng COVID. Pero lahat sila halos ang protection nila against severe COVID and death is 90 to 100%. So maganda naman talaga lahat ng bakuna. Meron lang mga bakuna, for example, like yung Sinovac, nung nilabas ko yung EUA, hindi ko siya nire-recommend for doctors and nurses na talagang treating COVID-19 patients. Kasi doon sa group na yon, medyo mababa yung efficacy niya, 50%. Pero sa mga ibang groups naman, na hindi naman gano'ng high risk, maganda naman. So for most of us who are not highly exposed, and then yung mga patients natin sa industry, lahat naman would be very good, especially in terms of severe disease at saka death. No? Talagang nape-prevent talaga siya. Yung efficacy niya for mild disease would range from 70 to 90%. So pipili din tayo. Meron din kasi isang kailangan isipin, kaya a lot of your companies, for example, would be buying AstraZeneca kahit na sabihin na 70% yung kanyang minimum efficacy compared, for example, sa Pfizer, no, na 94%. Kaya lang kasi yung Pfizer, ang storage niya -70 to -80 degrees. Wala namang mga kumpanya na merong ganong freezer na ultra cold freezer na medical grade. So yun din ang mga iniisip din, no, ng mga bumibili, yung the ease of transporting it and then of using it. Kaya some vaccines would be more attractive, no, na bilhin at saka gamitin kasi mas madaling gamitin. Pero in the end, all the vaccines are very useful. Hindi naman mag-a-approve ang WHO or tayo sa FDA natin na hindi naman nagmi-meet ng minimum standards of protection.